Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Morgan, the Ryker chick, and I'm coming at you today with a video all about the Can Am Ryker. So if you're already a fan of the Can Am Ryker, or perhaps you're in the market for one yourself, this is the video for you. Just keep on watching. The Can Am Ryker, a three-wheel motorcycle, a trike, sometimes referred to as a reverse three-wheel because of the two wheels in the front and the one wheel in the back. The Ryker was introduced to the market last year in 2019 and is thought of sometimes as the sportier little brother to the Can Am Spyder. The Ryker comes in three different models, all featuring a Rotax engine in the 600, 900, or 900 Rally Edition. The 600 and 900 models both look virtually identical, but the Rally Edition has upgraded features such as improved tires, upgraded suspension, a skid plate and grille protector, hand guards, a comfier seat, and it comes standard with the BRP Max mount, which is essential when adding extra accessories and aftermarket products such as second passenger seating or luggage. Each of the models comes standard with electronic stability control, including Eco Mode and Sport Mode, but the Rally Edition includes Rally Mode, which alters the traction in the rear tire, allowing for drifting. Compared to a standard two-wheel motorcycle, the Ryker offers an alternative to open-air vehicles while still allowing the rider to enjoy the fun and freedom of the open road. Compared to a standard two-wheel motorcycle, the Ryker offers an automatic transmission as well as only one foot brake that controls all three of the wheels. Riding on the Ryker is as simple as starting the engine and twisting the throttle. You can ride with confidence without having to worry about shifting, extra braking, using the clutch, or balancing as you would on a normal two-wheel motorcycle. The Ryker even offers a foot-controlled reverse lever to help with backing up or three-point turns. A few other unique aspects of the Ryker would be the sliding gas cover with the capless tank, as well as the trunk or front trunk, sometimes called the frunk, which offers a little bit of extra storage, as well as the parking brake lever, which can be modified with aftermarket accessories to lock for extra security. One of the attractive features of the Ryker is the sheer amount of customizability offered for each rider. For starters, both the handlebars and the foot pegs come standard with built-in adjustability to fit the individual rider's height or their preferred riding style, whether it's a more aggressive riding style or a relaxed riding style. Furthermore, there are a variety of accessories and modifications available from Can Am or aftermarket companies such as Sling Mods to customize both the look and function of your Ryker. The Ryker offers an affordable option to get into riding with the entry-level models starting at just $8,500. And finally, I can tell you from personal experience that this machine is a tremendous amount of fun. That is all for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, just leave those in the comments down below. Please like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to stick around. And until next time, ride safe, be kind, and I'll see you out on the road. Bye.